always find a sister in the bathroom that you can help. And because I have been helped by so many people so many times, I always carry that one extra. In this video, I want to talk about my hygiene kit. Hello and welcome back. If it is your first time here, my name is Moya Karaoke, and if you're a returning subscriber or viewer, karibu tena, and thank you guys for clicking on this video. So I did a video that I'm going to link up here, which was about feminine hygiene, but more specifically menstrual hygiene. So I talked about this product that I found out, that is Bag, which is something that I am so excited and happy to finally find, and it's also Kenyan made. So make sure to click on that video and watch. I did that video following a question from one of my followers, which was about she wanted to know, how did I manage feminine hygienity? How did I manage feminine hygiene on the road, and what was one crucial item that I could not live or do without, and it made life much easier on the road when it comes to hygiene, personal hygiene. So this is more of a continuation of that topic we're talking about. The response I have received from people is, one, I have a number of people who say I only carry a hygiene kit on the days I'm on my menses because that's when I really need it. And others didn't really understand what I was talking about, so I had to explain in inboxes. But I thought, well, why not share this by showing you how I kit mine. I learned how to do this the hard way. Yes, literally the hard way, because with a long time travel on motorcycle, mostly in the remote areas, I experienced a lot of things. Like every day was a learning process, and I was so happy to finally get things together. And so I came up with the hygiene kit. I do carry a toilet bag, and that toilet bag, because I'm traveling on a motorcycle, then I don't have regulations like when you're flying that you can only carry so much inboard and the rest has to be in. I don't go through all that, because traveling on a motorcycle, I have all the luggage on my bike. So I have a toilet bag that is bigger, and I put the larger volume items in that one. And also I only access it in the evenings when I have more space and I of course need to do more. I probably need to wash my hair or I'm taking a shower, then I can access it. And it has a lot of extras that are not daily use. So that's why it is bigger. Then, because I started traveling with that one, during the day I would always have challenges of, if I miss, for example, if I can't find soap in the bathrooms where I go, then some of the things are way tucked in my luggage. If I can't find, for example, water, and maybe I've also run out of drinking water, or I have very little, I have to choose between cleaning myself and drinking water for the remaining journey. So those are the things that led me to thinking about how best to package a hygiene kit for myself, and also how best to be able to make sure that I have everything that I need should I not find it. So without talking too much, let me go into what is in my hygiene kit. So I'm using this bag that I was given by Bag, guys, thank you. So of course you're not gonna see my old ragged one from the road, you're seeing this cute one. So let's see what's in this. I'll just pour things one by one. So let's start with, I usually carry pads. Whether I'm on my menses or not, I will have pads, at least 2 pieces, in my daily hygiene kit bag for so many reasons. I have had instances where the travel has caused more stress on me, and therefore my periods have come earlier than expected. And if I just go with my schedule, then I will probably have the rest of the pads tucked way in my luggage. So I always have one that I can reach should I need it quickly. I've also had to help girls when we are traveling and I meet someone in the bathroom and they ask, do you have an extra tampon or pad? Because yes, I've run out of mine, or things have just happened and I didn't expect them. So I always have this for me and a sister out there. Now, because of my travel and my heavy flow, I do wear both a tampon and a pad. So I always carry also 2 extra tampons in my daily hygiene kit, because again, like I said, things do happen when you didn't expect them. Now I want to speak a little more about my tampons. I carry tampons, or I use tampons with an applicator, and the reason why I do that is because most of the times, largely most of the times, I'm on the road with dirty hands, limited access to proper bathrooms. If I have a proper bathroom, probably there's no water, there's no soap, and I really don't want to put dirt in there as I insert my tampon. So for me, a tampon with an applicator is not luxury, it's like a necessity. So I do carry these 2, and guys, make sure it has an applicator. It saves you from dirty hands in there. So of course, since I discovered FemiBag, I have added FemiBags into my pack, and they are a daily carry. And you know what? It's not just for soiled sanitary towels and tampons. No, this, if you're in a place where you can't, let's say you've cleaned yourself with wet wipes and you're in a place where you can't dispose them because the only option you have is to throw them by the road, you can also pack your dirty used wet wipes here, seal them, carry them neatly and nicely and comfortably, and then go dispose them somewhere else. So for me, they're not just for the days that I have menses, they have more use than just those days. Yep, that's an extra pad. I also carry tissues, the small pack tissues. I carry about 2. I will not finish 2 in a day, but like I said, you always find a sister in the bathroom that you can help. And because I have been helped by so many people so many times, I always carry that 1 extra. Wet wipes. I carry wet wipes, at least 5 or even more. Wet wipes come in handy for so many things. There are days that we ride in dirt and dust, and you get somewhere and you just want to clean your face and feel fresh again. I use this. You get sweaty until you feel like you're stinking. This helps clean up these areas and make them feel a little fresh. Of course, you go to the bathroom and on those days and you need to clean up. The tissue does its job, but sometimes you may need water or something wet to get more clean. This does it. So the wet wipes have so many uses. You've gone to a restaurant, probably it's one akipandaski somewhere by the roadside, and there's no water for washing your hands, you clean your hands. You want to stop for a snack by the roadside, your hands are dirty, you clean them. Like, the wet wipes have loads and loads of uses, so I do carry quite a number. I have these little bags that I put in here. I'll put earbuds. I also put dental floss or toothpicks, because you will eat lunch and you will want to get that little food in between your teeth and get it out. It has more spaces, so I can carry extra small items if I'm on medication or if I need to carry some dawas. There's more space, I can put a little more in here. is a toothbrush carrier and a toothpaste, a small toothpaste, because sometimes you eat and even the toothpick doesn't do the job. You really want to clean up. So I do have one easily accessible all the time. And of course, I love this. This one is for taking away perfume for me. So the big bottle is always tucked in somewhere in my bigger luggage, in my toilet bag. So I just put this. It carries about less than 100 ml. It carries in this, and easily accessible should I feel if I forget to wear one in the morning, or if I feel like it's too hot, too sweaty, and it doesn't smell really nice. I do this. And yes, something else that I carry in this bag that is missing at this point is panty liners. I always have panty liners here. I mean, every girl knows that panty liners are lifesavers. Okay, let me give you my best hack for panty liners. When we were traveling, sometimes you can go for quite some days without being able to wash clothes. When it comes to your innerwears, if you go 3, 4, 5 days because you didn't carry a load of them, it means they run out. So panty liners extend the life of your underwears. Make sure you wear them, girls. Wear them when you're traveling, and you can rewind that one tomorrow. I also carry in this bag, I do carry my sunscreen, because you need to wear your sunscreen and reapply during the day. Depending on your strength, some you can do 3, 4 more times, some you can do less. And if you're traveling by road, by air, by train, by wherever, you're using public facilities, you will go and miss soap, miss water, miss tissue, or miss all of them. You will get sweaty, you will get dirty. So this hygiene kit doesn't only work for girls or ladies or women, it does also work for guys. I like it because it fits at the back of my water carrier, my camel pack. If I'm not riding, walking, hiking, whatever, I put it on my backpack together with my water and my snack, and I am happy to finish a hike, refresh myself simply without looking for bathrooms, and feel much better. So guys, let me know if this video added value to your travel life. Let me know if you found it interesting and educative for you and informative. Let me know if you would like to know much more. If you have a question or a suggestion that would make a hygiene kit even better than I have told you, let me know in the comment section down below. If you've watched this video until this far and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click that red button inakwanga on one of this side, and click the bell next to it, because that way you will be notified when I share a new video. Also, if you have loved it, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Let's make travel very, very safe and comfortable and easy this year. So more videos coming about travel. I have a lot of questions since I put it on my Instagram, and I asked people to ask me questions about travel. Mostly I'm sharing lessons that I learned on the road, things that will add value to your travel, things that will make it more fun and easy and manageable. Until the next video, it is bye bye guys. Turudishe hizi vitu hapa.